Hey everyone, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video will be packed with motivation. I also have a few new finds to share with you all along with some home projects. So let's get started. Okay, we are back in from Target and I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. I did pick up this from the dollar spot. This was $3. It's just a little candle. I'm just going to use it as decor. I don't usually burn candles that looks like that. And then I did pick up that cup that says root for your damn self, and that was $5. This candle that smells really good, it is the smoked apple cider. This one smells amazing. They had a couple different ones, which I'm pretty sure I showed you guys when I went there. Lazy Susan, whatever you want to call this. So I needed an extra one for the pantry. I'm going to be reorganizing the pantry soon because the way that I did it don't seem to be working out for us. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. I picked these up because I'm going to use these for the pantry. So I'm so happy that I looked at my receipt while I was on that side because I had to go back. I only have 2 of these, so it's a pack of 2. And she charged me for 5 instead of 2. I was wondering why my total was so expensive. I was like, what did I get? And the only reason I paid attention was because I scanned my receipt for my Fetch rewards, and that's when I noticed it. I also got these Celsius drinks. I picked up this poster. I need to do some updates to the media room as well. So I got this Tupac poster. I'm going to put in one of the frames up there. And what else did I get? Oh. And I just picked up this shirt. I had this shirt before, but it got a stain on it somehow. So I had to end up putting it in the trash. But I love this shirt, so I picked this up. I like my t-shirts oversized, so I usually get a large in these. And then I got these cargo pants. Cargo pants are back in style. I am loving it. I'm all about oversized t-shirts and cargo pants right now. So that's all I got from Target, I believe. All right, y'all, here's the pantry. I'm gonna show y'all really quick. I don't plan on doing this in this video. Y'all will see it in a later video, but this wasn't the door that came with the house. We actually got this one from Home Depot and got someone to install it for us. But I've also been thinking about painting this door black. I saw someone, and that was my intentions when we first got it, but I kind of changed my mind. But now that I've seen it, like a visual of what I wanted, I think I'm going to do it. And I'll put up a picture on the screen of what I'm going for as far as this part as well. So let me know what y'all think down below. But I really think I'm going to paint just this part of it black. I'm going to leave the frame white, and I was concerned about that because I thought it was going to be like an eyesore, but when I saw his, it looks really good. But this is the pantry. If you have not seen my pantry makeover video, I'll link that video down below. I did 2 parts to it, but we had wire shelving in here, so we had someone to install these shelves right here. These are the IKEA Billy bookcases, so we just got 2 of these and put them side by side. But the way that I have it in here is like we kind of lost some storage space because these shelves are so wide and these are smaller. It does help me contain the food better, but it's kind of hard to buy a certain amount of food at a time when we don't have as much shelving space. So I'm trying to figure out like where to put everything. So when I first did it, I had these glass containers on this shelf, which it worked out great. Those fit perfect and it looked good, but I was like, okay, as far as function, that's the biggest thing. I'm not worried about how things look. I mean, I am, but that's not the biggest task that we're trying to achieve here. Like, it's all about functionality. So I need to rearrange stuff in here again to make it work for us. But in the meantime, I'm going to be removing the covers off of my couch. I've been meaning to do this for a while now. I also wanted to mention, if you see me in different outfits, my hair change, I like to record when I'm feeling up to doing something. And a lot of the times it's not all in the same day or consecutively. It'll be spread out, and then I'll go ahead and piece everything together. So I just wanted to throw that in there, but I went ahead and put those covers in the washer. We also wanted to change out this light fixture. We still have a couple basic light fixtures in here from when we purchased the house. I showed these fixtures in a previous video, so we put those up, and I think I'm going to purchase a dimmer because the bulbs are a bit bright, or I either might change them to the soft lighting. I also wanted to change the curtains in the living room. I've been having these for a while as well, and I think I showed these in a previous haul. So I've been wanting the pinch pleated curtains, and this is the linen material. I really love the quality of these, so we're going to go ahead and get these hung up. And the next task is this light fixture that I was telling you guys that was way too small for this room. So the original light fixture that we purchased that I showed you guys in a previous haul, that one was way too large for this room. So we had to send that one back, and I did go with a smaller one, but I still wanted the wagon wheel look. So I really love the way that this one turned out. This was before all of the light bulbs came in. We just put those in there to test them out, but I do love the way that it turned out along with the curtains. So let me know what you guys think down below. All right, y'all, so since I'm getting ready to set up that candle warmer, I just wanted to give y'all a quick candle haul. And I did pick some of these up last year, like this sweet potato pie one. This one was actually part of the Christmas collection, I believe. I got this one from Walmart, and it was on clearance. I never burned it. It smells really good. It smells just like a sweet potato pie. I also got this one last year. This one was on clearance as well. Smell really good. Looks like a mug, but it's actually a candle. And they're probably going to bring, I've been seeing these for the past 2 years, I think. So I'm pretty sure they're probably going to bring that one back. And I have that one in a Christmas scent as well, but the mug is actually red. So you guys will probably see that. And this one came from Walmart, and this one is farm apple and pumpkin. Smells amazing. I got this one from Burlington, fallen leaves. This one came from Burlington as well. This one is called pumpkin donut and apple cider. Let me try to turn my lighting down and see if that helps. All right, so this one is pumpkin donut and apple cider. Smells good. Now this one is from Hobby Lobby, and this candle smells so good. I really hope the throw on these smell just as good as they do without them being lit, because that's what I aim for. And I forgot how much this one costs. Well, Hobby Lobby stuff is 40% off, so I did not pay $20 for this candle. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was 40% off. This one was, I think the ones from Burlington was $8. This one from Walmart was probably about $7 or $8. This one came from Pop Shelf. This was $5. And then, like I said, I got these two on clearance last year. So I am so excited to burn my fall candles. Let me know if you like fall scents down below. My sister do not like fall scented candles, but they're my absolute fave. I like these better than the Christmas scents. I'm all about having my house smell like, I don't like super sweet smells, but kind of in between. So yeah, all of these are really good. Okay, so before I burn the ones that I just purchased, this is one that I had from last year. It looks exactly like the one I just showed y'all from Pop Shelf. And I don't remember, where did I get this one? I may have gotten this one from like Walmart or somewhere last year. It doesn't have a label at the bottom, but I'm gonna test it out with this one. All right, let's see. I don't want the cord and stuff showing. I'll hide that, but I'm gonna turn it on. It even acts as a little lamp. I've been seeing a lot of people putting like little small lamps in their kitchen. I thought it was a little weird, but I mean, they've been putting small ones in there. It's not like a huge lamp, so it doesn't look bad, but I get that. I guess that's a new thing, people putting lamps in the kitchen. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see. I also have some under cabinet lighting up here too, so it's coming off a little brighter. All right, and this is how it looks, and you can actually dim that. Oh, so cool. So that's the brightest it goes, and then that's the dimmest it goes. So it gets pretty dim. I just got an Amazon package as well. I need to change out the little caddies in my shower. The ones that I have in there are rusted and they're not as sturdy, so I'm gonna change them out to these, and I am going to see if these handles are gonna work. If you've been here for a while, you already know the struggle of trying to find the right handles for my kitchen. I've been doing it. It's going on 3 years now. I've been trying to find the right handles for 3 years. I pray to God that these are the right ones, and they look like they might fit. Oh my God, if they are, I'm about to be super excited. Jesus, please, please let these fit. I really want to scream. Like, I'm trying to understand what size are these handles. Like, this doesn't make, do y'all know how many times I have ordered like so many different sizes and nothing fits this freaking drawer? I don't know what size these handles are. And I love this style. So we do have the adjustable ones in the bathrooms, but I like this style better, and I really want them for the kitchen, and I don't want to make another hole on every drawer in this kitchen or cabinet. Oh, this is ticking me off. Yeah, I have no idea. I wanted to leave you all with a quick salad recipe that my best friend shared. You're going to use some grape tomatoes, tri-color bell peppers, red onion. I do cucumbers with skin on and skin off. You're also going to get a can of chickpeas, pop those in the microwave for about 2 minutes. You're also going to mix some balsamic vinegar, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. I'll put the measurements on the screen for you guys. Add some salt and pepper and any type of meat that you would like to have as well. I did put avocado and green onion on top, and also put a little bit more of balsamic vinegar on the top as well, and it's turned out really good. But as always, friends, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care. Someday soon I'm gonna make it.